Hi, good afternoon, everybody. This is Sanjay Sachdev from L&T Mutual Fund. I am responsible for the central tie-ups and I am heading the central team and have been with the company for more than 8 years with L&T Mutual Fund. What are we going to cover today? About, of course, market volatility. What product category is to be looked at is something which we are going to talk about. So let me start this session right now. So we all know market last week, a couple of days back, touched 50,000, right? A record high. Did anybody guess also? किसी ने guess भी किया था कि markets will touch 50,000 in a short span of time, and especially जब COVID-19 हुआ, which was in March, and market crashed to say at that time the markets were at 40,000 and then it corrected to almost 25,000, and from there way back in April 20 till now, it has reached 50,000 in a span of less than 10 months. Nobody ever thought ki it would reach such heights. And that's not for India. This has been across the globe, right? It was just a big surprise. Economy lockdown, economy going through a slowdown, everybody at home, but still market continued to rally, and then it just breached at record high. And what did majority investors ने क्या किया? I'm sure कि काफी जन जो panic हो गए. Lot of investors did panic when the markets corrected, and we're correcting in the month of March. Suddenly every investment turned negative, and everybody got panicked. And a lot of investors, काफी investors ने पैसा उस time पे SIP stoppage करा दिया या redemption करा दिया. या काफी जो investors थे who did brave this downtrend said ki nahi, let me continue with my investment, and market surprisingly did continue to rally. Of course we saw a reversal from a bottom, and then it continued to rally from 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and then above. And a lot of investors again thought कि नहीं ये तो slowdown है, economy में ज़्यादा action नहीं है, फिर भी market reversal हो रहा है. So a lot of investors, काफी investors ने धीरे-धीरे started booking profits at every level. A lot of investors started taking the money off. सोचा कि नहीं, I think एक बार redeem करते हैं, we'll redeem the money, and maybe we'll enter at a later stage, maybe at a lower level, we will try to re-enter and try to time the market, right? But exiting did not help. Market continued to rally, and then we saw what happened in the month of Jan. Now was market touched an all-time high of 50,000, और वही history repeat हो गया. Same history got repeated again. Majority went wrong, right? It's never happened कि majority can go right and everybody is making money in the market, right? What is important? What did we learn from this volatility? A year of 2020 when COVID hit us, where the markets corrected and bounced back strongly, right? What did we learn? It is all about sitting tight. It is all about trying to be in the market rather than trying to time the market. How much time we spend in the market becomes critical rather than saying ki we are trying to time the market. That becomes, it's a very same old story, a same old learning. Ki yes, I think what is important, don't try to act smart. Don't try to say ki nahi, I know better than the market, right? Markets are much smarter. So what we need to do is sit tight and stay invested and keep investing more money. But what what did investors do? They panicked, they redeemed, and later stage they started booking profits, right? There were very few investors जिन्होंने invest किया इस level पे कि सोचा कि नहीं, I think it's time to invest with a 3-5 years horizon, right? So few investors invested, many investors redeemed, right? Again, majority went wrong. So what is the lesson to be learned? When it comes to mutual fund, when it comes to wealth creation, one has to have patience and one has to stay invested for a longer time, and one has to keep investing. It is not about investing for one time and then evaluating our investment ki kaise chal raha hai. Whenever we have liquidity, we have to keep investing, right? Now, what drove the market? ये market यहाँ से कैसे चल गया? Of course, we all know simple word liquidity. Across the world, every central bank tried to print money and infuse lot of liquidity system. जब system में काफी liquidity होता है तो पैसा chases assets, and we all saw gold going up and then correcting. Now we are seeing equity markets doing very well and equity markets are going up. It's all liquidity driven market, right? So, but when you are at such high levels, volatility तो आनी आनी है. So what we seeing right now is again markets correcting, because at every new highs markets will get volatile, right? There will be profit booking happening at every level. So one is also getting worried. Should I be investing in the market? Should I be exiting from the market? So these are all confusing talks which comes to every investor's mind. हर एक इंसान कंफ्यूज है कि should I be entering, पैसा लगाना चाहिए कि पैसा निकालना चाहिए, right? But we all know it is not about trying to act smart. It is all about investing regularly and investing for a long time. And that is why we believe there is a product, there is a category which has got created, right? Which we believe is a evergreen category. वो कैटेगरी क्या करती है? I mean, I will just give an example to what does a category do. जब ये हर एक आदमी इन्वेस्ट करता है, हर एक इंसान को इन्वेस्ट करता है, फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि होपफुली आई विल प्रोटेक्ट माई डाउन साइड, इन द सेंस कि अगर मार्केट करेक्ट हो गया तो मेरा टूटना कम होना चाहिए, मेरा वैल्यूएशन कम टूटना चाहिए, राइट? और मैं ज्यादा ग्रेडी नहीं हूं. आई एम नॉट टू ग्रेडी. आई एम लुकिंग एट समथिंग टुडे द एफडी रेट्स आर फॉलन डाउन टू 5%, 6%. Can I get a category? Can I get a product which gives me a return of say 8-9%? Right? I am not greedy. I am not looking at 15% return. Right? I am looking at something which is in the range of 8-9% on a yearly basis. Consistent चल रहा है. चलो market चल गया. I miss some upside. It's fine. But at the end of the day, when I take my money out, I should be happy with that 8-9% returns. Right? Tax efficient ho, because something when you are investing in mutual fund, you always look at the taxation point of view also. Are they efficient enough so that they bring down my taxation? Yeah, this is the third thing which everybody checks, right? Fourth thing is, can I withdraw money on a monthly basis? कैन मुझे कोई ऑप्शन है जहां पे हर मंथ में अपना एक अमाउंट बाजू कर दूं, या सिस्टमैटिक विड्रॉल जिसे कहते हैं, या अप्रोक्सीमेट इफ आई एम गोइंग टू मेक 8-9% रिटर्न्स, can I look at doing a systematic withdrawal almost is similar to my returns on a yearly basis, right? So this is all those points which I have highlighted. There is one category which does for everybody, right? And one did not get worried ki when is the right time to invest in such category. And that category is a balance advantage fund category, right? What it does, or where does this category invests? First of all, it invests in equity. Of course, obvious है, अगर upside चाहिए, extra alpha चाहिए, तो return equity से ही आएगा. But how much in equity is something which you will decide. It invests in arbitrage, जो FNOs में होता है, but that is zero risk because it is as good as investing in liquidity. That gives you a tax benefit advantage. And third, it invests into very high quality debt papers just to complete the 100% exposure in equity. हमको रिटर्न कहां से आएगा? ये प्रोडक्ट में जब पैसा लगाते हैं, अल्टीमेटली योर रिटर्न्स ऑफ 8-9% शुड ओनली कम फ्रॉम वन एसेट क्लास. इट इज नॉट योर ट्राइंग टू से कि आई एम इन्वेस्टिंग इन 3 एसेट क्लास, वन इज इक्विटी, वन इज आर्बिट्राज, थर्ड इज फिक्स्ड इनकम. नो, they are associates, but the core is investing in equities, right? Now this category decides what the allocation should be in equity be. That becomes very, very critical. It depends. It ranges by minimum amount of investment in equities will be 20%. Max it can go up to 80%. That means a band 20 to 80% band होता है जहाँ पे equity investing होता है इस category में, right? So this becomes very, very critical. The most important thing, जैसे मैंने बताया, ये band कैसे decide होता है? Yeah, it is based upon a module. Like हमारा L&T बैलेंस एडवांटेज फंड का अगर आप एग्जांपल लेते हैं, इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द प्राइस टू इक्विटी एंड प्राइस टू बुक, राइट? द हायर द प्राइस टू इक्विटी एंड हायर द प्राइस टू बुक, that means the markets are expensive, my exposure to equity will be lower, right? And as the price to equity or price to earnings are lower, so simple example, जब market मार्च में करेक्ट हो गया था तो PE, the price to equity and price to book had come down to a very low level. At that time was a time to increase your allocation in equity. But right now, when you look at it today on the basis of current valuations, the PE and the price to book and the price to earnings are at a higher level. That means on an average, they are about 10-year average. That means your equity allocation has to be lower. Now, this is what this category decides, what equity allocation should be there at what point of time. And it all boils down to a particular model where human intervention is minimal. A model is pre-decided. मॉडल पहले से डिसाइडेड है कि अगर P 20% प्राइस टू इक्विटी है तो मेरा इक्विटी हो सकता है 50% हो, अगर या 60% हो या 70%, there is a band which is decided, and every mutual fund has its own band which they decide on this particular category, right? But what is very, very relevant and important here is keeping your emotions out, right? क्या होता है जब मार्केट ऊपर जाता है तो and then there is a euphoria, we all get greedy, we all want to jump and invest because everybody else is investing in market, but maybe that may not be the right time to invest everything into equity, or when there is a lull or where there's a negativity across. What happened in the month of March, April last year, जब भी कोरोना का announcement आया, everything went into lockdown, there was a huge negativity on the economy, right? And markets corrected, right, big time. That was a time to allocate maximum money to equity, right? But we could not, but that's where the emotions come in place, and that's where the timing happens. So that's where I said ki, and this category takes away every simple logic ki buy low and sell high is completely bought in here. Pause.
And start, sir.
Yeah. So just to give an example to L&T Balance Advantage Fund, in last 7-8 years have on a calendar year कभी भी negative return नहीं दिया. And if you look at last 5-7 years, it has given a consistent return of 7 to 8%. That is what every investor looks out to be, right? A big second advantage is because you are changing allocations every month, the fund is large cap biased. It has allocations in large cap stocks, so that means 70-80% money is always into large cap. So definitely there is liquidity in such stocks and stability to the portfolio also. So simple example, and you have monthly dividend options which you can avail, or you can offer systematic withdrawal, is as highlighted earlier by me, right? So whenever you believe, whenever you are fearful of the markets, or whenever you get greedy of the market, remember one thing, right? This category is always there for you to keep your emotions aside, right? And invest in a product like an L&T Balance Advantage Fund, right? And stop worrying about it. And at the end of the day, one has to stop worrying about the index levels. Levels at the end of the day are just numbers, and numbers are infinite, right? So keep your worries aside, right? Invest into a category which is more stable, which does not get you greedy, right? Which does not make you fearful. Thank you very much.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.